In this problem, I need to expand the logarithm. So I'm going to use the properties of logarithms. I'm going to use the fact that log A times B, or log AB, is equal to log A plus log B. I'm going to use the fact that log A divided by B is equal to log A minus log B. And I'm going to use the property log A to the x power is equal to x log A. So you need to be familiar with all of those properties. So I'm going to begin to expand this. Well, I think you can, and there's so many different ways to do it. I'm going to start by making this in. I'm going to use the fact that I have this division sign here, and I'm going to go. This is equal to log. Keep my arguments in parentheses. 2x4. And I'm going to change this into 6y to the 1/2. I find it easier to work with fractional exponents than I do with radical signs. Minus, not over, minus log 3w to the 5th z. So now I have two logarithmic expressions. And they are products. I can see that I have a 2 times x to the 4th times 6y to the 1/2, and I have a 3 times w to the 5th times z. So I'm going to begin to expand this using the product property right here, where when I have things that are multiplied together, I can turn them into additions. So I'm going to turn this into log 2 plus log x to the 4th plus log 6y to the 1/2 minus. Now, it's minus this whole logarithmic expression. So even though everything, all the products here is going to be 3 plus w to 5 plus z, it's all affected by this negative sign. So I think I would like to use a bracket. So I'm going to go log 3 plus log w to the 5th plus log z. And I will close my bracket. And every one of these terms in this part is impacted by that negative sign. Well, I think I need to expand some more now. I still have log 2, so I'll leave that alone. Nothing I can do with that. I can use my power property on the next term. So I'm going to go plus 4 log x. Now on the next term here, I'm going to expand this because this is really log 6 times y, and they're both to the 1/2 power. So I'm actually going to change this a little bit. I'm going to change this to log 6 to the 1/2 times y to the 1/2. I took my 1/2 and I just exponentiated both the terms that it applied to. This is the plus in here. Okay. Then I have minus, and I'm going down to my bracket. Well, there's nothing I can do to the log 3. My log w to the 5th, I can change that into 5 log w. And my log z doesn't change. In my bracket. Okay. Well, I have another expansion I need to do with this section right here before I can really expand it out all the way. So I have log 2 plus 4 log x plus log 6 to the 1/2 plus log y to the 1/2 minus my bracket log 3 plus 5 log w plus log z bracket. Still a little bit more I need to do because I have powers right there and right there. So I have log 2 plus 4 log x plus 1/2 log 6 plus 1/2 log y minus, I think I'm going to start distributing my minus sign to these things that were in the bracket. Minus log 3 minus 5 log w minus log z. So I got rid of my brackets and I've got the proper signs on everything now. And that's really about as far as I need to take it. I could maybe do a little something else here with the 1/2 log 6, but really if you got it down to this point there, I think that you're in pretty good shape.